Dear valued partners, welcome back to our channel. Here we are back with yet another guide video to help you place order on behalf of your client. Firstly, log in with your login credentials and MPIN. First of all, just search for your client code. Here you can see the watch list and the script. If you don't have watch list, you can create a one by just clicking on this add button. Give your watch list name and just click on save. To add the stocks in your watch list, just search for the stock from here and click on this arrow. Similarly, you can add various stock under your watch list. To buy or sell, you can just click on add button to buy and minus button to sell. You can also use the shortcut key. You can press F1 to get the buy order screen and press F2 to get the sell order screen. For example, if you want to place buy order, just click on this plus sign. The buy order window will open. Here, just select the exchange, order type, that is market order, limit order, short loss order or short loss market order. Then select the segment. Symbol of the stock. After inserting symbol, just enter your product type as CNC or MIS. Then enter the validity, quantity of the stock clients want to offer and the limit price. Also add the disclosed quantity. Here, your client code will be automatically fetched and you can also change your client code from here. After verifying details, just click on buy order. The order is placed. As you have inserted the limit order, your order will be displayed in the order book. In the order book, you can also cancel or modify your order by just clicking on these three dots. Order will be under the order book until your limit price hits. As soon as your limit price hits, it will come under the position tab. Similarly, if you want to place a market order, just click on market. Order price will be a current market price and you need to fill up the other order details as you filled for the limit order and just click on buy. As you have placed the market order, your order will be directly executed and you can see the order under the net position tab. From here, you can directly square off your order by just clicking on this checkbox and click on square off and confirm the same. As your order is already placed, you can check out your order under the trade book. From the trade book, you can also convert your order from CNC to MIS. To give the confirmation, just click on yes. Similarly, you can place stop loss order and stop loss market order. While placing stop loss order, you just need to enter your trigger price, and while placing stop loss market order, your order price will be your current market price and you need to enter the trigger price with other trade details. And similarly, just click on buy button. That's it. With just few clicks, you can place all kind of orders as per your choice. We hope our user-friendly website helps you to perform this with ease and help your client at all stage. Thank you so much for watching out this video. Do let us know if you want more such informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video.